Hello, my beautiful YouTube fan watching me today. My name is Grace Ogoke. As you know, I like to always call myself your number one YouTube advocate. Now, from the previous video I shared on how to make a cold process soap where I use this small mini cutter, I got a lot of requests from my subscribers saying how they like it or they would like to buy it or, and all of that. And I told myself, you know what, let me just do a video on a display of the cutters we have available.
Ladies and gentlemen, they call me Ultimate Benter. Flow stanza, no one's offender. I've been the hustle the bubble since I can remember, but I'll be doing okay before.
So as you can see, we have the mini cutters here. This you have seen me actually do a practical with this, a practical demonstration with this. I'm going to be dropping the link of the particular video where I use this somewhere, either in the description box or I'll post it somewhere up here. Okay, so with that, I told myself I'm also going to do a display of the commercial standard table cutter I have. Now, I call this baby right here a multifunctional commercial standard table cutter. It's collapsible, it's foldable, it can be wavy to any part of Nigeria, and then it comes with two different soap modes, where one you use about 6 liters of PK oil to do, and then the other 12 liters of PK oil, and you're going to be getting approximately about 104 pieces of bar soap from the big one, and let's say 52 bar soap from the small one. And then we also have this very beautiful soap mode here. Now I got a lot of requests, soap loaf here, sorry. I got a lot of requests from people asking me to please, now how can you do it? Well, I'm letting you know that all of these are all available. Now you can see the soaps I have here. I actually just did a video on how this particular soap cutter works, of which I'm going to be adding to this particular video. This video is just a quick demonstration of our new soap cutter. Yes, you can see. I like to call this particular cutter multi-purpose table cutter. Yes, you know we have multi-purpose soap, and then of course I thought let's invent our own multi-purpose table cutter. And you know the beautiful thing about this cutter is the different purposes it serves. It's collapsible, it's easy to move for those of us who would probably want it and they will want it to be wavy down to them. You could just fold it up. I'm going to definitely send pictures of what it looks like when it is folded and all that. Like I said, it does so many things. This section of the cutter is called the adjustable point. Here you can actually adjust your string to cut different long bar, the different sizes you want. As you can see what this looks like. This is a bit slimmer, this is bigger. That's what this does. It also helps you to slice out the rough edges of your soap. So I just want to do a quick demonstration of how now the string is positioned to get the biggest size. But once I slide that out, I'll also adjust it and we will see what the smaller size does. So, and it's very easy, very smooth. You can see how it goes. Okay, once this goes out, this is very easy. Once you detach from here, okay, then you remove this. You do gently. No, we're talking about soap here. You remove this, you just push it back in, then voila, you go back. So I'm going to adjust the string now to get a smaller bar size. So now I've adjusted the string. Let's slide out and see what our soap now looks like. You can see how very easy it moves, and make sure that you hold it firm. Make sure you hold it firm so that it rests well on the wood. Okay, so now we have a slimmer. Like I said, it's easy. Once you just push this aside, you're good to go. Let's do it again. Okay. So you can see we have a slimmer, long bar now. So basically we've sliced out our soap in the different sizes that we want, slim and then a big, long bars. And then that, like I said, this is the major part of this soap cutter that I really love because of all the things it does. So now we're about to slice out the rough edges of this long bar. You can see initially we had to start at but now we've kept it this way. And you adjust, everything you want to do is adjustable here. So you adjust it in the size you want. So if you're operating a bigger soap, you know you have to probably bring your string a bit bigger. So but because this is the size of the soap, I've done my string to this place. So you just move it and then it goes so smooth. What I like about this cutter is how smooth it works. So it's helping me to just take out the rough edges of the soap. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Voila, you can see it has given us a smooth surface now. So the next point we're going to be seeing now is how we get our finish size. I already started doing something like that. So after cutting your soap in a long bar, you bring it to this section. Now here, or like the other ones that we've probably worked with, here you can actually load as much as 4 long bars and slice at once, all at once. And then, as you can see, this also comes with a cutter. It helps you to just push it more faster. So let's just do a quick demonstration, and then that's it. We're good. Now this also helps you to regulate it. That's another beautiful part with using your wood on this section. So remember we did a slimmer one and then we did a big one. You can see the 2 different sizes. So if you notice, this particular section enables you to cut out 6 different finished sizes, and I'm sure you already see that we have different weights. If you count it, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this 4 that we have here gives us automatically 24 bars ready. That's the fastest or quick thing about this cutter that I like. And then this soap cutter also comes with 2 different soap loads. Yes, so that's a whole efficiency. You can see how big it is. Yes. So you're going to be getting this too. So there you have it. I've done a quick demonstration of each section of this cutter, what it looks like. And like I said, for those who will be interested to order this particular cutter, you're going to be getting exactly what you have here. This exactly. Now another feature I'm going to be adding for those who actually be buying this is I'm going to place some kind of measuring ruler here for you, so it'll be easy, because what I usually use is my normal ruler to just get my measurements, but I'll make it easy. I'll make sure that there's a ruler for you here so that you can easily just adjust and be looking at it. So that's the whole concept I'm going to be adding for those who will be ordering. Now remember I said it's collapsible, it's really adjustable in every form, and it's beautiful. And then you're also going to be getting strings with it. I'll definitely make sure I just make the job easy for you. It can be way built down to any part of Nigeria. Or maybe we could do some international one. Don't mind me. Take 1 week for us to do this and deliver to you. 1 week, to be on the safe side, about 1 week to 10 days. Yes, let's just say 10 days once you make payments. So basically, that's it about this whole multifunctional table cutter done by experts around me. You need to see these guys when they're working, and trust me, I like the way they are very fast and smooth. Everything you're ordering is exclusive of your Weibi fee. Please, you're taking care of your Weibi. Some of us can be very, very funny. They will always tell me that, oh my God, is it not plus Weibi? I'm telling you that it's not plus Weibi. Whatever you're paying for, you're also going to be paying your Weibi fee. So this is me coming through for you. For so many people that kept asking me, what does a commercial standard soap cutter looks like? This is it. Now with this, you can actually cut thousands of bar soap. For those of us who want to go, who are into the business of bar soap making, you know that that's where the money is. And for those who are already in my group, and if you're wondering how to join my group, I'll drop the link of my free group in this particular video, and then I can also enlighten you on how you can join my paid class. Okay, so that's it. I just thought I should show this, and then make sure you're enjoying this video. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask. I'm always there. I read your comments and I appreciate you. And if you've watched this video and you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you get other beautiful videos like this. Subscribe and follow the channel, because I also drop some free productions on this particular channel. Like I said, all of this are available. If you need anyone, please don't forget to contact me. I'm going to be dropping my number in the description box of this particular video, and I'll also be dropping a link on how you can join my free group on Telegram. It's important you do that, because that is where lives have changed. There you have it, just a quick video on what a commercial standard table cutter looks like. I've gotten a whole lot of people requesting for that, and I'm showing you what we have available, and the particular equipment is going to be coming with the number of soap loads and how it works. Those who have not watched my cold process bar soap that I dropped for free here, please make sure you watch it so you can practice how to make your very own laundry bar soap. So till I come away again next time in our next video, stay good, be good to yourself, love yourself. Thank you for watching, and remain ever blessed. Thank you and bye.